For multidimensional motion like projectiles, the key idea is that horizontal motion and vertical motion can be treated independently of each other. So when you fire a projectile, for instance, you want to make sure that you treat the horizontal motion of the projectile as if it was moving at a constant speed, because it is, and the vertical motion you want to treat just like you would if the object was fired straight up. So, let's say we fire a projectile at a 31.9-degree angle with a speed of 18 meters per second. As the projectile flies, it's going to move at a constant horizontal speed. Vertically, it's going to lose speed until it gets to its highest point, at which point it will stop moving vertically, and then it will start gaining speed as it moves back down again. One of the other things you want to remember about projectile motion is if you fire the projectile at a 0-degree angle, then the object has no vertical speed to start with. So here we are firing a projectile at 18 meters per second. That 18 meters per second is entirely horizontal. The vertical speed is 0 at the original time, and then it gains vertical speed as time goes on. If we were to have just dropped that object with no initial speed, it would have taken the same time to hit the ground. And if we were to fire the object with half of the original speed, it would go half of the distance. In all three cases, it takes the same amount of time for the object to reach the ground. When you're solving the math of a projectile equation, you want to use parametric equations. They say the y position at any given moment in time is equal to the original y position plus the original y speed times time plus 1/2 at squared. Remember, your acceleration will be negative 9.8, so this whole last term will be negative, which is taking away position from the other parts of the equation. The x direction, in the horizontal direction, you're going to have x as a function of time, which tells you your x position at any given moment in time. It's equal to your original x position plus the speed in the x direction times time.